Good evening, everyone. This is Gina Vigevano, and tonight we have a special guest, Emily, an aspiring young Irish songwriter who is deeply interested in creating music aligned with the concept of the music of the spheres. Welcome, Emily.
Thank you, Gina. It's a pleasure to be here.
Emily, can you tell us a bit about your fascination with the music of the spheres and how it influences your songwriting?
Absolutely. The idea of the music of the spheres has captivated me for a long time. It's the notion that the universe itself is a grand symphony, with celestial bodies moving in harmony, producing a cosmic music that underlies all of existence. I believe that by tapping into this universal rhythm, we can create music that resonates deeply with people and promotes a sense of interconnectedness and well-being.
That's a beautiful concept. How do you see this idea relating to the work of scientists, mathematicians, and musicians throughout history?
Many great minds have been drawn to the music of the spheres. Pythagoras, for example, believed that mathematical relationships expressed qualities of energy manifested in numbers, angles, shapes, and sounds, all connected within a pattern of proportion. He saw the cosmos as a musical scale, with each celestial body producing a unique tone. This idea has persisted through the ages, inspiring thinkers and artists alike.
And how do you think modern technology, particularly artificial intelligence, can contribute to the creation of this kind of uplifting and evolutionary music?
I believe that AI has immense potential to help us explore and create music that aligns with the music of the spheres. By analyzing patterns, rhythms, and harmonies found in nature and the cosmos, AI can assist songwriters in crafting compositions that resonate with these universal principles. It can also help us understand how certain musical structures and tones affect our brains and emotions, allowing us to create music that promotes happiness, healing, and personal growth.
That's fascinating. So, in a sense, you see AI as a tool to help us reconnect with the natural rhythms of the universe and create music that uplifts and transforms?
Exactly. I believe that by combining the ancient wisdom of the music of the spheres with the cutting-edge capabilities of AI, we can create a new era of music that not only entertains, but also enlightens and inspires. It's an exciting time to be a songwriter, and I'm thrilled to be a part of this journey.
Thank you, Emily, for sharing your insights and passion with us tonight. I'm sure our viewers are eager to hear the music that emerges from your exploration of the music of the spheres.
Thank you, Gina. It's been a pleasure.